I have a basic USB printer here. It's a Canon Pixma MG2522. Now I want to see if I can make this a wireless printer. Technically, it's wireless now. It's just not gonna work. Another way would be to use a dedicated wireless print server, like this, or that. It is just not recommended by me because I don't have one. Otherwise it should work fine, I mean, why not? So an alternative way, and the way I'm gonna do it, is to connect the printer's USB cable to a wireless router that has a USB port. Then the wireless router is going to share the printer on the network. I actually have a Linksys E1550 with a USB port, but unfortunately the stock firmware on this router only allows me to use this to share a hard disk drive or a flash drive, but not a printer. So I actually installed HOWTO firmware on this router that offers a lot more features, including sharing printers. Check out this video in case you want to know how you can install HOWTO. It should be right there. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to connect the printer with the USB cable to the wireless router. Next step would be to enable the printer sharing service on the HOWTO router. So I need to log into the router, and on the left hand side go to USB and NAS and then USB support. Here I'm going to make sure core USB support is enabled, then I'm going to enable USB printer support. I wouldn't worry about the USB storage support. Now if I save the page, after a few seconds the printer should show up as an attached device. Okay, so the printer is shared, and now we can add it to any device that is connected to the wireless router. My computer is a Windows 10 machine, so I will have to go to printers and scanners and then hit add a printer or a scanner. It's gonna start searching for the printer and won't be able to find it. So I'll go to the printer that I want is not listed here. Here I'm gonna choose add a printer or network printer with manual settings. Then I will select create a new port, and the port that I'm gonna choose is a standard TCP/IP port. Host name or IP address is going to be the IP address of the wireless router. In my case it is 192.168.1.1, and the port name is basically just a name. On the additional port information page I will choose custom and then settings. I will leave the default values and hit OK. Here I can install the printer driver. My Windows already has the driver, so I'm gonna select that. But if it doesn't, I can click on have a disk and install it from the CD that came with the printer. Now we are done. We can print a test page to make sure the printer is working fine. Alright, it looks like plan C was successful, and that's good. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like it if you found it useful. Thank you, and I see you next time.